Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Ministers, the Honorable Leader of the Opposition, and Honorable Members. I thank the Honorable Taito Rokomatu for the question, and I rise to provide a response to this august House. Mr. Speaker, sir, waste management and pollution control remain amongst the most pressing environmental challenges facing Fiji, as well as other Pacific Island countries, with increasing waste generation driven by urbanization and changing consumption patterns. Our existing waste management system requires significant upgrades. Similarly, marine pollution caused by oil and grease spills from vessels, including contamination of our riverine and water flow systems due to poorly managed landfills, all contribute to environmental risk that significantly affect our communities. These challenges are further compounded by limited land availability for new landfill sites, the rising cost of waste transport and disposal, and the increasing frequency of climate-related events which disrupt already stretched waste system. This makes regional cooperation and external support critical to strengthening national and local efforts. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Sustainable Waste Action in the Pacific Projects Phase 2, commonly known as SWAP 2, is a regional initiative funded by the Agency of the KSD Development, AFD, and implemented by the Secretariat of the Pacific Regional Environment Program, or SPREP. This three-year project will run from 2025 to 2028, supporting 7 Pacific Island countries: Fiji, Kiribati, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Vanuatu, and 2 French territories. The project focuses on 3 core objectives. 1, supporting the development and implementation of national waste management policies and actions, including collection, sorting, recycling, and proper disposal. 2, improving waste services through strengthened infrastructure and pilot projects to address priority waste streams. 3, building technical, financial, and governance capacity within the waste sector for long-term sustainability. Mr. Speaker, sir, SWAP 2 seeks not only to strengthen national systems, but also to improve complementarity and coordination among existing regional initiatives, such as the Pacific Ocean Litter Project, Clean Sea, and JE PRISM 3. This ensures that countries like Fiji receive coherent and mutually reinforcing support across the multiple programs. The benefits for Fiji, Honorable Speaker, sir. For Fiji, SWAP 2 will deliver targeted support in 4 key areas. 1, reducing marine litter through improved surveys, coastal cleanups, data collection, and community awareness that informs national policy interventions. 2, improving used oil management, including stakeholder training, feasibility studies, and strengthened system for collection, storage, and eventual safe disposal of used oil. 3, strengthening solid waste management, which entails installment of 3 additional trash booms by Trash Boom Fiji, such as the one the Ministry has initiated at the Nambukalu Creek, located opposite the MHCC here in Suva. Additionally, we will continue supporting composting and recycling initiative for rural communities so that waste at source is better managed. 4, enhancing regional cooperation and knowledge sharing to ensure Fiji is aligned with best practices and lessons learned across the Pacific. Mr. Speaker, sir, these interventions will support Fiji's broader waste management reforms, complementing our current review of the container deposit regulation and our effort to transition towards more circular and resource-efficient waste systems. Update on the letter as asked by the Honorable Rokomatu. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji's participation in SWAP 2 was formalized through the letter of agreement signed on 3rd November 2025 between SPREP and the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. Under this agreement, Fiji is allocated €292,000 for national activities. All funds will be managed directly by SPREP in line with the financial agreement and SPREP's procurement procedures. The SWAP 2 project will run until 30th September 2028, with all national activities to be completed by 31st of August 2028. All equipment and assets procured by SWAP 2 will be transferred to the Ministry upon completion to ensure continuity of the project outcomes. Mr. Speaker, sir, following the signing of the agreement, the Ministry has commenced preparatory discussions with PrEP to finalize the implementation schedule, activity design, and national coordination arrangements. These include planning with the key stakeholders for training, surveys, infrastructure support, and community-level activities expected to commence in February 2026. Mr. Speaker, sir, in closing, SWAP 2 project presents a timely and important opportunity for Fiji to strengthen our national waste management system and reduce pollution risks. It reinforces our commitment to safeguarding public health, protecting our environment, and supporting the transition to a more sustainable and circular economy. The Ministry remains committed to ensuring the effective and timely implementation of the project for the benefit of all Fijians. We now available, Mr. Speaker.